Do you want to be trading these fast small cap US shares and you're based in Europe and you just feel like you haven't got the time because you need to wait for midday on our time zone? Well, that isn't the case, guys. Okay, so at 9 a.m. British summertime here, we are looking at potential moves and gap up stocks here that are going to go on the morning move. Now, it's 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the US, and it's maybe a little bit early for the US traders to come in here. But us guys and girls in Europe, we've got an opportunity to trade. I run the scanner. This HOUR comes up on the scanner. Miss the original first move, okay? But then we get the red on the ProTrad system tracks, and then we get that other opportunity. We go long on the green. We get the nice momentum trigger down here. We're trading at 280. We go all the way up to 340 on this move. A nice profitable day trade. And then we get another opportunity just after 9:36 and another thrust to the upside in this market. Okay, so we're done. The European session, the London session here, we can still trade these small cap US stocks. And I'm looking at a broker here on the right hand side, and the spread is very tight. Cost for trading is very tight, very good indeed. So there's opportunities virtually every day trading this 9 a.m. move. If you want to trade small cap US shares, you're based in Europe, you can get up and trade these. I'm sure you're awake at 9 a.m. in the morning. Well, there's an opportunity. You don't have to wait for midday to go and get on those trades that are moving for the US session. All right, guys, hope it helps. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.